Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that can truly revitalize your listening experience, especially if you're a proud owner of the Koss QZ-99 headset. We're talking about replacement earpads, specifically the YDYBs black leather Earpads. It's a common scenario. Your beloved headphones, while still sounding great, might be showing their age around the ear cups. Worn-out pads can drastically reduce comfort and even impact sound quality. That's where these come in. Right out of the package, the quality of these YDYBs ear pads is immediately apparent. They're crafted from professional-grade leather, which promises not just a premium feel, but also long-term, crack-free durability. This isn't just about looking good. It's about ensuring these pads stand the test of time, unlike some original pads that might start flaking or deteriorating after extended use. The material feels soft yet robust, a clear upgrade for many. But the real magic happens when you put them on. Inside that durable leather exterior is a core of high-density memory foam. This isn't just any foam. It's specifically designed to conform perfectly to the shape of your ears. The result is an unparalleled level of comfort. The description mentions ear comfort to the point of forgetting the headphones are even on, and that's not an exaggeration. For those long listening sessions, whether you're gaming, working, or just enjoying your favorite tunes, this level of comfort is a game changer. No more pressure points or discomfort after an hour or two. Beyond comfort, these replacement pads significantly enhance the sound experience. The firmer memory foam cushioning plays a crucial role here. It creates a superior seal around your ears, which is vital for effective noise isolation. This means less ambient noise seeping in and more of your audio reaching your ears unimpeded. By isolating sound perfectly from your environment, these pads allow the Koss QZ-99 to truly shine, enhancing every beat and nuance that comes through your headphones. You'll notice a clearer, more immersive soundstage, and potentially even a richer bass response, simply because the sound isn't escaping or being diluted by external distractions. The installation process, while not explicitly detailed in the product info, is generally straightforward for replacement earpads, and once they're on, the transformation is immediate. It's like getting a brand new pair of headphones without the hefty price tag. For anyone looking to breathe new life into their Koss QZ-99 headset, or simply seeking an upgrade in comfort and audio performance, these YDYBs black leather Earpads are an excellent investment. They address the common pain points of aging earpads with high-quality materials and thoughtful design, delivering a superior listening experience that truly lasts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.